In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook error 500, the one that says something went wrong and prevents you from accessing Outlook on the web. This is a very common issue, and the good news is that in most cases, it can be fixed in just a couple of minutes using a simple browser-based solution. You don't need to reinstall anything, and you don't need any technical experience. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Outlook error 500 usually happens because of corrupted browser cache or cookies. Since Outlook on the web runs inside your browser, stored data can sometimes conflict with Microsoft servers and cause this error to appear. The fastest way to confirm this is by opening Outlook in an Incognito or InPrivate window. This window ignores most stored cache and cookies, so it's a great way to test the issue. First, open your browser. If you're using Chrome, Edge, or most modern browsers, click on the three dots, also known as the ellipsis, in the top right corner. From the menu, choose New Incognito Window or New InPrivate Window. Once the new window opens, go to Outlook.com and sign in with your account. In many cases, Outlook will load normally without the error. If that happens, you've confirmed that cache or cookies are the problem. Now let's permanently fix the issue by clearing your browser cache and cookies. Go back to your regular browser window. Click on the three dots in the top right corner again and open Settings. Inside Settings, look for the option called Privacy and Security. This section controls how your browser stores data like cookies, cached files, and site information. Under Privacy and Security, click on Delete Browsing Data. A new window or panel will open. Make sure you select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. You don't need to select browsing history unless you want to. Also, set the time range to All Time to ensure everything related to Outlook is removed. Once everything is selected, click on Delete Data. Give the browser a few seconds to finish clearing the data. Once it's done, close the browser completely. This step is important because it ensures the old session is fully cleared. Now reopen your browser, go back to Outlook.com and sign in again. In most cases, Outlook error 500 will be gone and your inbox will load normally. If you're still having issues, you can also try using a different browser temporarily, such as switching from Chrome to Edge or Firefox. But for most users, clearing cache and cookies or using an incognito window fixes the problem immediately. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Outlook error 500 using a quick and simple method. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.